Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to the Space of Yin. We're going to work on the hamstrings and forward fold today. If you like this little snippet, definitely join me on Omstars.com where we go deep into the Space of Yin. So let's get started. Move over onto your hands and knees. Curl the toes under, press gently back. And let's walk the feet forward. Chest goes onto the thighs, and then press the heels into the ground as you straighten the legs. Don't worry about how deeply you get right now. Just allow the weight of the body. Maybe there are some little movements that seem to be like an unwinding of tension. Let the skin of the upper body melt. Tension rolling. Ice melting. Feel the weight of the body releasing. Then bend the knees, we'll do it again. Straighten the legs. No force, just allow. The space of yin is the space of allowing, accepting, effortlessness. Feel the breath moving in, the breath moving out. Let there be a natural unwinding. Release even inside the abdomen. Release inside the pelvis. Last one, let's bend the knees. And straighten. Feel the forward fold elongating. Feel the muscles in the face releasing. Feel the shoulders, whole backs of the legs into the hip, softening. Then let the arms go. Roll through the hip joints and find the way all the way back down. That's good. We don't need a lot. We just need enough to really be able to get that feeling deep into the body. So this is the forward fold that I used really every day to access all of the different layers. So I recommend that you come back to this short little class over and over again to access the space of yin in your forward folds. Thanks so much for joining me in this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.